Hi, Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Wanted to give you a quick video walkthrough of a boat we just got in for sale. This here is a Weers Sundeck 240. It's a 2002. The trailer under it is actually a 2016 Wolverine. Very nice trailer package with it. Nice full cover for this boat along with the Bimini top. And probably the coolest part of this boat is the 2017 Mercury 4-stroke 90 horse. Very nice motor, very nice overall package. We're going to give you just a very quick video walk around of this boat, and truly we'll jump inside and check it out closer. Before we jump inside, you can see the trailer here has the nice steps going up. You have the tunes underneath, nice Tri Toon set up there, and from there we will take a walk on board. Once you jump inside the Weers, it's actually a very open floor plan. The seats are surprisingly in absolutely beautiful shape. Video's not going to do them justice, but the seats are nice, they're soft, they're deep, they're comfortable. Up front here, you've got a cockpit table. There's another table that can go in the back. You do have dual entrances on this boat, so you can enter from the port or the starboard side. And as you work your way backwards, you got the big L-shaped seating area, contoured backrest here on the port side of the boat. Work your way around, there's underseat storage, and this one does have the Sundeck, hence 240 Sundeck. Nice cup holders up there and things to that effect. Bucket seat in the boat, again in very good shape, and the helm, I would say, looks absolutely phenomenal. It's got the Mercury controls, stereo head unit. The seller does have the depth finder that mounts in there, but overall as a package, just a good looking pontoon. So that there is just a real quick video walk around of this Weers 240 Sundeck. A good looking overall boat. Be glad to help answer any questions you have or set up a time to view. Again, I'm Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota. I thank you for watching our video.